Okay, so welcome back and let's do some new investments right here in seed round investment in Flex Perpetuals. Okay, so that's the good stuff because they already raised $300,000. This is going to last for the next few days. Check their Telegram when they're going to close this one, and this is going to be on Base, and I expect a big one from this. All right, so again, please remember there are a few things you need to understand. First thing, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you understand that this is not financial advice, only risk capital. Now, one of my member in my Telegram sent me about they chat in my Telegram about this project was happening because the team from this project, they had some different project who you cannot get in anymore. Okay, they cap it and that's about it, and it's lasting I think couple of years, 2.5 3 years, and now they're coming with this one. Well, this will be trading, okay, DEX trading with perpetuals on Base chain. Okay, so that's very interesting, and I'm going to do live deposit right now in front of you so you can see how is all the steps, what you need to do. Now let's go and let's check what's happening. So what is Flex Perpetuals? Trading beyond the limits. Okay, so introducing the next generation of decentralized perpetual derivatives trading on the Base chain. So that's the good stuff. So Base chain getting a lot of hype right now in the last few months, and I believe if Coinbase wants to bring here 1 billion users, but let's be honest, if they only bring 10% of that, like 100 million, even if they bring only 5% of that in the next 1 year, will be amazing. 50 million right now, I think it's only 4 million. If they double, just triple, if they only bring like 2%, that's still going to be awesome. Okay, so let's check. So what is DEX? Okay, it's a leverage trading with up to 1000x. Don't do that, or make sure it's extremely risky, with over 3 assets classes: crypto, FX, and commodities. Okay, so that's the good stuff. Get paid to trade with Flex Perpetuals trade to earn program. Earn weekly airdrops just by using Flex Perpetuals to your leverage trading. So this is built from the team who are already traders. It's built from the trader for the trader, for the normal people like me and you. Okay, so so trading futures, a SEX like user experience on the Base chain. So it's like central exchange, like you experience like central exchange, but on the Base chain. So this will be DEX. So progressive web application, creating a SEX-like trading experience with maintaining control of your assets. One click on chart trading, account management, algorithmic trading, and unparalleled trading condition, cross-margin collateral, gasless trading and order management, multi-asset collateral, and trading trifecta. Okay, I'm not a trader, so I don't know everything exactly what's this mean, but I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Go and check everything you want. But there are many other things I want to mention before we go and put some money in. I don't want to keep this video too long because it will be extremely boring if I keep it too long. They have a great AMAs, okay, almost every couple of days, and the CEO, one of the guys over there, the developer, the CEO, he made a great AMAs around 30 minutes, and go in the Telegram group, it's pinned, and go and listen. It's like 35 minutes, listen at 1.5 speed, and he explained everything, how it's going to work. So here you are, they're going to have few different tokens. And this is the stuff what I like. So Flex Perpetuals will launch our core FDX, that's their token, okay, with ETH, with Ethereum LP on Aerodrome Finance. Okay, that's the good stuff. Okay, so what's mean they're going to get their tokens. By using their tokens, they're going to be able to increase their liquid position over there, so their liquidity. Okay, so enhancing liquidity and stability. The primary focus is on bolstering the depth of liquidity for the FDX token while ensuring long-term stability, creating a robust foundation for our ecosystem. But what I want to mention is, this is the interesting stuff, why we have chosen to leverage XMX technology. So XMX technology is on Arbitrum, and they partner with them and they're working like them, but this will be on Binance chain, and they're going to have a lot of support there. And you will see that XMX has a proven track record of success. Since launch on Arbitrum, they have accumulated total trading volume in over 20 27 billion with B right here. And that's crazy, guys. That is crazy. So XMX has a large community of traders and LP providers. As part of the partnership agreement, XMX will be supported Flex Perpetuals with marketing and community buildings. Okay, now their token from these guys, XMS, did 14x. Okay, there we go, market overview. So the DeFi derivatives market has a TVL of over 3.4 billion. Okay, from 1.3 billion last time this year to over 3.4 billion. According to DeFi Llama, the derivatives category is by ranked 11 on the TVL, which means there are a lot of space to grow up. And you can go and see all their information right here. You will see Arbitrum, Solana, Optimism, and Base. Okay, so there is a lot of huge opportunity for the things to grow up. And here you can see all the tokenomics, how it's working. So that's the thing. I want to get here early, but you need to understand that by investing here, again, not financial advice, do whatever you want. Let me just read this one. So check this out. The opportunity, we can look to XMX performance to give us some benchmarks of what we think is achievable for our private sell investors. That's me right now. Okay, it can be you. X 100% ROI. So private investors have recouped over 100% of their investments from staking yields alone and continue to earn yields from their stake tokens. Now 14x private round investors invested in XM in the price 0.5, and now it's of April the 2nd, so that's a few weeks, couple of weeks, a month ago, it's around $7. Was giving 14x of the price, so that's crazy. Okay, so this is very interesting. Well, there we go. So the target is closing May 31st. And also remember, once you get in, there will be cliff. You need to understand that. So to check the cliff when you go to the investment page, by the way, make sure you use somebody referral code. Don't need to use mine. It's only like 3%. So don't worry. I'm using one of my member. Maybe I'm going to leave his code down in the description. And basically it's to participate is on Arbitrum network. Okay, ensure you have valid referral link. The minimum is $100. By joining the seed round, you're entering into a simple agreement of future tokens, which means that 6 months cliff period commences immediately following our full scale launch phase 4. Your deposit secure an allocation of FDX tokens proportional to your deposit amounts. Okay, now the good stuff here is, listen that AMA what I was mentioning. He says that even your tokens are right here releasing slowly, you're still earning some extra money for that. Now I want to mention, it's if you go to their Telegram group, okay, right here, you will see, check this out. We'll be releasing more information soon, but we want to make everyone aware that almost 80% of the funds raised will be used for POL and buying Aero to vote for our liquidity pools. Okay, in most projects this is not the case. Most of the funds are used for develop. We have 95% done product. Well, that's a very, very, very good. Okay, that's about it. Let's go and get some money inside, and let me show you how it's working. So once you click, the link will be here. Make sure you connect your Rabi or MetaMask with on Arbitrum network. Make sure you have some USDT if you need to breach. Make sure you use something. You can use a crypto swap or whatever you want. Just use some bridge, or just send from your centralized exchange like Binance or like KuCoin directly Arbitrum to here. Okay, you need USDT, by the way. And then what you need to do, you just go here, you deposit. I want to deposit 490, and you need proof and deposit. All right, so address specific near given option for neutral for deposit. What the heck is that? Let me check. Let me try again. It's 490 approve. Yes, working. All right, warning, that's fine. And again, check this out. So let me just, by the way, use a ledger. All right, just use a ledger or any hardware wallet. Make sure you are safe. Okay, and then once you do that, you deposit, you go skip, and then you go confirm, and then you pay the fee 1 cent. So basically it's free, confirm, and that's about it. All right, so thank you so much. That's about it. I will leave their social, and there we go. You will see I have 490 FIFP. All right, so by the way, use use their social media to get any information, any updates, and make sure you understand that this is seed round investments. All right, thank you so much. God bless all of you. See you in the next one.